Now we'll do Shwana Pranayama. Bend your knees slightly, your hands on your knees. Shwana Pranayama, breathe like a dog. Now when the dog breathes out, rapid breathing, dogs put their tongue out, and when it breathes, that it cools the whole body. The purpose of Shwana Pranayama, it cools down the whole body. People with Pitta dosha, with the bile problem, it's a good exercise. Bile production in the body gets normalized, and ulcers in the stomach. If people have ulcer, stomach pain, it's a good exercise. It's a Shwana Pranayama. Let us practice. Put the tongue out, rapid inhale and exhale through your mouth. Inhale up. Now we will do Agnisara Kriya. Agnisara Kriya, it's a preparation for Navali Kriya. Navali is one of the Hatha Yoga Kriyas. Hatha Yoga has 6 Kriyas: Neti, Dhauti, Kapalabhati, Basti, Navali and Tratak. We will talk about these ones in the coming videos. And Navali, that purpose gets more control on your stomach, cleanses the stomach muscles, increases the digestive fire, bodily immunity in the body increases, antibodies in the body increases. Regular doing this one, you need not have to go to GP often. That you become very healthy, that your overall health increases, and many dreadful diseases, it is said, like cancers can be prevented doing these ones. That has this Agnisara Kriya has that much of potency. It increases the antibody in the body. You'll practice that. Observe your stomach when stomach goes in completely, and that we can do along with Shwana Pranayama. I will show you do the Shwana Pranayama. After that, Navali. When I do Navali, that as you practice, you can control your stomach muscles, bring the muscles at the center, or try to move to one side. You observe that one. You can do that Vama Navali, taking to the left side or right side, you can do that one. Complete exhale. In the Navali Kriya, in Shwana Pranayama, you breathe in and out. When completely exhale and no air in the stomach, close your lips. Now no air, you are not breathing. Now try to move the stomach in and out. At that time, even if you have done for half a minute, as if you ran for about 100 meters, so much of exertion happens. We will do once again. Navali, complete exhale and try to move the stomach. Observe, complete exhale. Inhale, come.